that is what we're going with for today. All right, to my office we go. Let's go. All right, so we are going from this fabulously hot mess of an outfit that we're wearing this morning to, with these amazing shoes, to an actual fully functioning adult. So 2 seconds here. I have like a day and a night situation thing happening. So we're gonna just put on, I think, a jacket with this. Yeah, so I'll just put on a jacket with this. Works for me. Put up my sleeves. And it's making my hair pop, which is always nice. Need to still put on some lipstick. I'll probably change this out and wear my Etika, like, cute little thing here, so that'll go with that. Much shorter. There we go. All right, so we're wearing this. Okay, so let's do some earrings here. And take my, okay, I think we're ready to go. Just need lips done. Check real quick. Okay. All right, that is what we're going with for today. Little day-night situation, all in the same outfit. Dress, theory jacket, and yes, I'm wearing sneakers because I have a torn ligament, so I'm not dealing with another shoe situation of where I'm gonna tear another ligament. So, see you later.